Oh, yeah.
It's sun shining as normal.
Sunny Friday in the Sunshine State.
Yeah.
You know what that means? Old-fashioned Friday.
Busy down here today.
Man, it is.
What do you think? Gonna beat the Dilla Room today at the Goldfinch pub?
Well, I don't know if Goldfinch, I think they're going to make, this is my prediction. It's a hotel bar, Four Seasons. I think it's going to make an 8.2 to 8.5.
Ooh, man, that's pretty
What do you
strong.
think?
10 out of 10, buddy.
Oh, you think it's going to beat the Dilla Room?
Every time I think it's gonna happen. Hasn't happened yet, but I keep thinking it's going to happen. Hey, they might pour some perfect pints in there.
Oh, shit. Blarney Stone.
I think we've actually been there.
Yeah, we have. Yeah, we tested out the Guinness there.
Yeah, I remember that now.
I can't remember what the score was.
Had to freshen up the brain cells, but then I remembered.
Yeah.
I remember that place distinctly now. There across the street, looks like. Goldfinch. There's the Ferris wheel.
Oh, yeah, nice.
The Seattle Special over there. Nice presentation there.
Yeah, real nice presentation. Yeah, you can't go wrong with Rittenhouse.
You're gonna split the G?
Well, as the aunt said, as he was walking over the mirror, here's the old-fashioned Friday. Smells good. Oh yeah, that's. Hello, old friend. It's nice to see you again. I come to talk to you again.
Yeah. I got sunshine in a glass.
Well, the Rittenhouse always has a nice bite because it's a higher proof rye.
Gets up into the sinuses a little bit,
Yeah,
not just in the throat.
but you do have to have a little bit more balance, a little bit more sugar, different sugar or something to balance it out. It's a little bit higher octane. But Rittenhouse always, I think it's around $33 in Washington State for 35. I think you see it for the Rittenhouse. That's some high octane.
I was gonna ask you, what proof is that?
It's like 50, it's 57 or something.
Oh, 57?
Or something like that.
I thought it was 556.
That's a good one. That flew right over my head for a second.
It tastes a bit stronger than that, actually.
Yeah, this needs a little bit more sweetness to it.
That's a little sharp. It's good, though.
This is
At
like
least it ain't like, last.
old Grandpappy, 114.
Now, I was going to say, when we had, what was that, Buffalo Trace that we had there on Friday, the first one, and you're like, oh, this is so like the Coors Light.
Yeah,
Or the Bud Light, you said, I think.
it's not like the Bud Light of last week's
Yeah.
cocktail.
Benchmark, I think is what
Yeah.
it was.
It's definitely not that.
Yeah. A little stronger. But it makes you put the brakes on a little bit, sip it a little slower.
Yeah, you don't want to sip this one very fast.
No. Compared to like the Deadline,
Yeah.
he was making those just so freaking good.
Yeah, they know how to just balance this thing out.
that bartender.
Yeah,
is-
because that's some high proof stuff, but he knows
Yeah.
how to work that magical sugar.
like through this whole journey, even though it's like, it's only April. We got a lot
Only
of-
April, man. We've been doing a lot of testing, it seems like.
Yeah. So far, my favorites have been Russell's and Pikesville.
So what do you rate the old fashioned then?
Hang on, let me give it the official swizzle.
I give it an 8.25. What do you think?
2 digits, huh? Oh, kind of. Ice is kind of melted into it a little bit, so it's kind of diluted a little bit, which actually made it a little better for me.
A little bit calm down
A little calm down.
on the Rittenhouse.
I'll give it 8.0. Yeah.
Well, that was a great old fashioned. Well, 8.2. Think we should do another one?
Another one never hurt.